신문사 부고 기자로 활동하는 여성 퍼시 프레이저.
For those of you who do know me, well, you know how nervous I am about public speaking.
그녀의 가장 친한 친구 샹탈의 약혼식에서 진심을 담은 축사를 전하지만
Love can be hard to find. Searching for that person to call your own.
어쩐지 그녀의 표정에는 씁쓸한 기색이 묻어납니다.
Someone who's there for you, even when the going gets rough. So if you're lucky enough to find that person, like Chantal and Drew found each other.
사실 퍼시의 마음속에는 오랫동안 아물지 않는 상처가 하나 있었는데 바로 10년 전 온 마음을 바쳤던 사랑이 비극적으로 끝나버린 일이었죠. 그 후 퍼시는 수많은 남자들과 관계를 맺으며 살아왔지만 그 누구도 마음속 빈자리를 채워주지는 못했습니다.
Still in the obit biz?
Yeah. One of the few things newspapers still need writers for.
You dating anyone?
No.
No.
What?
Jake, no. No, please, not Jake.
He's
no.
your fiance's brother.
The half-brother and his body count.
Already includes me.
Doesn't make him not an asshole.
Well, I'm not looking for a good man, just a good time.
오늘도 외로움을 달래기 위해 한 남자의 대시를 받아들이려 하지만
I can rub them. Make it all better.
That would be nice.
그 순간 걸려온 한 통의 전화가 모든 것을 멈춰 세웁니다.
Hello?
Purse?
Sam?
No. It's Charlie. I'm sorry to call so late. I have some news. Bad news. My mom passed away a few days ago.
Oh my god. I'm really sorry, Charlie.
샘과 찰리의 어머니 수의 부고 소식을 담담한 목소리로 전해오는 찰리.
I feel like she would have been really pissed if I didn't reach out. Her funeral's in a few days. Will you come? I know he wants you there too.
Yeah, I'll try.
문제는 퍼시가 추모식에 참석한다면 오랫동안 피해왔던 옛 연인과 마주해야 한다는 것이었죠. 이별의 상처가 컸던 탓일까 한동안 잊고 있었던 공황 증세까지 다시 찾아옵니다.
You haven't had one of those in years. Well, you spent the first 5 years I knew you having panic attacks, and the last 5 hooking up with jerks like Jake and pretending like you don't care.
It's just my whole world is filled with regret because of the choices I made and how things end up with Sam.
어린 시절 가장 친한 친구이자 소중한 연인이었던 샘.
Honestly, it's been so long, I don't even know what I'd be walking into. Sam was the love of my life, and I can't move on, but I know I have to. I need to say goodbye to Sue and Barry's Bay, and I know I can't truly do that unless I finally say goodbye to Sam.
퍼시는 불편한 재회를 각오한 채 추모식에 참석하기로 결심하고 발걸음을 옮깁니다.
Wow.
Pretty great, right?
Wait till you see the house.
샘과의 인연이 시작된 것은 처음으로 가족 별장이 생긴 어린 시절.
We could go to town. There might be girls there your age.
I don't need girls my age. Can I just go to the lake?
Great idea.
감수성까지 남달랐던 퍼시는 또래 아이들과 어울리기보다 혼자 노는 것을 더 좋아했죠.
That's one of the doctors, the dishes! Not fair. You get a head start.
홀로 호숫가에서 시간을 보내던 중 우연히 샘과 찰리 형제를 마주치게 되고
You cheated. Did not. Did too.
Hi.
New neighbor?
Yeah.
새로운 이웃이 생겼다는 사실에 곧장 퍼시의 집으로 찾아온 두 형제.
So, Sam was wondering if maybe you wanted to play.
Dude, I was not wondering that at all.
Okay, fine. I was wondering if you wanted to hang out.
그들은 혼자 지내던 퍼시를 자연스럽게 자신들의 일상 속으로 끌어들입니다.
That's one of the doctors, the dishes!
특히 샘은 책을 좋아하는 퍼시와 유난히 잘 통했죠.
So what's it short for? Samuel? Samson?
It's just Sam. My mom says that names are stronger when they're short. What about you? Are your parents like really into Percy Jackson?
The professors, so no. It's short for Persephone.
Seems pretty on brand to me. Is that like a friendship bracelet?
Yeah, except I made it for myself.
It's cool.
과거를 추억하다 보니 어느덧 베리스 베이에 도착한 퍼시.
What am I doing back here? I know. Here to pay my respects to Sue.
방학마다 이곳을 찾았던 그녀에게 수와 함께했던 시간은 특별한 기억으로 남아 있었고
Wish I had a mom like that.
Yeah, same. I just disappeared on her.
You were a kid. And Sam treated you awful at the end. She would have understood.
Adulting is no joke.
퍼시는 호숫가 곳곳에 스며 있는 수와의 추억을 떠올리죠.
Doesn't work if you open your eyes.
How'd you know?
Mother's intuition. And as much as I try to do this, I feel stupid. But with two rowdy boys, I need all the zen I can get.
발걸음이 이끄는 대로 호숫가를 찾아간 그때 가장 만나고 싶지 않았던 사람이자 가장 만나고 싶었던 사람 샘이 그곳에 있었습니다. 10년 만에 마주한 옛 연인의 모습에 조용히 발걸음을 돌리는 퍼시.
End of summer, man. Time is perfect.
10년 전 퍼시가 베리스 베이를 떠난 뒤부터 샘과 찰리의 관계는 예전만큼 돈독하지는 않았는데
Yeah, well, I haven't exactly had a ton of free time since I've been here taking care of mom while you were
At work?
각자 자신의 꿈을 찾아 도시로 흩어져 살아가게 된 두 형제.
I told you. We could have just hired someone to take care of her. I would have paid for it.
Let's see, I'm a doctor and her son, so I figured that person should have been me.
I came when I could.
샘은 좀처럼 고향을 찾지 않는 찰리에게 내심 서운함을 품고 있었죠.
Where are you going?
To jump in a lake.
같은 시각 뜻밖의 인연과 재회하게 된 퍼시.
I'm so sorry. Percy? Delilah! My God, it is so good to see you.
Yeah, totally.
Wait, what are you doing here?
What am I doing here? What are you doing here?
그녀를 반갑게 맞이한 딜라일라는 어린 시절 함께 놀던 친구 중 하나였죠.
You're here for Sue?
Yeah, I am.
Do they know you're here?
No,
They will now.
그리고 부고를 전해주었던 찰리와도 다시 마주하게 됩니다.
You came.
I came. I'm so sorry to hear about your mom.
Thanks. I figured you would just be coming for the memorial.
Yeah, me too. But then I wanted to be here.
하지만 두 사람의 반응은 생각만큼 따뜻하지 않았는데
Why did you invite her?
Because my mom asked me to.
Your mom? I have a hard time believing she would want to bring this drama back into both of your lives.
모종의 사건 이후 도망치듯 마을을 떠난 퍼시를 선뜻 예전처럼 대할 수 없었던 것이었죠.
Jordy. Hey. It's Percy. Fraser. We used to hang out with Sam.
Right. It's room 106.
Can't believe we have to stay here.
Thank you. Isn't there somewhere nicer?
Yes, there is. The house I spent my summers in, my home.
옛 추억을 더듬으며 어릴 적 지냈던 별장으로 발걸음을 돌리는 퍼시. 하지만 추억이 가득했던 그곳은 오랫동안 방치된 채 철거만을 기다리고 있었죠. 착잡한 마음을 달래기 위해 퍼시는 충동적으로 호수에 몸을 던지지만 갑작스럽게 찾아온 공황 증세로 가라앉을 위기에 처하는데 그녀를 발견하고 급히 물 밖으로 끌어올리는 찰리.
You okay?
This is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
Coming back? Yeah.
퍼시는 지난 과거로부터 도망치려 했던 자신의 속마음을 털어놓습니다.
But it's clear to me now, coming back here, I can't run from it. Or even swim from it. Does he hate me?
퍼시가 베리스 베이를 찾아온 사실을 꿈에도 모르고 있었던 샘.
Do you know who's coming for the memorial?
Yeah, we reached out to my aunt and uncles.
You know, I'm sure there might be like a few outsiders.
You know, I have been thinking about Percy. Maybe it's just because I've been going through old photos, but also, and don't think I'm crazy here, but dude, I could have sworn I saw her. Yeah, that's absolutely nuts, right?
She's at the motel.
What?
친구로부터 그녀의 소식을 듣게 되자 곧장 형에게 분노를 터뜨리는데
Jesus Christ, Sam! Look, I don't f you up for that. Yeah, like you could. Could you be more childish? Could you be more selfish? She loved Mom too. She would have wanted her to be here. Oh, f you. What the f do you know about what Mom would have wanted?
퍼시가 과거를 마주하기를 두려워했던 만큼 샘 역시 과거의 상처를 간직하고 있었고
I can't believe you did that without talking to me.
그는 간신히 되찾은 평온한 일상이 그녀의 등장으로 흔들릴까 두려워하고 있었죠.
I didn't tell you because I didn't know if she'd come.
When Percy left, I went off the rails.
I mean, Mom told me.
That year was rough, man. You know, my life now is, I mean, things are stable. I like that.
You've done good, little brother.
Yeah. But Percy wasn't just my girlfriend. She was my best friend.
그에게 퍼시란 옛 연인일 뿐 아니라 모든 비밀과 고민을 나누던 가장 가까운 친구였고
Okay, you know what? I gotta get to the restaurant. Are you guys gonna be okay?
Nope. We're not.
그녀에게라면 샘은 자신의 가정사까지 숨김없이 털어놓을 수 있었죠.
So, where's your dad?
He's dead.
I've never met anyone with a dead dad before.
Well, I guess now you have. Ooh, no, I'm glad no one ever really talks about him anymore.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, makes my mom sad.
퍼시는 그런 샘의 이야기를 진심으로 들어주었고
It was a heart attack. One day he was there, throwing me off the dock into the lake, hollering at me to clean the deck. And the next, he was gone. And I miss him.
Well, if you want to talk about him with me, you can whenever.
Thanks.
직접 만든 우정 팔찌를 건네며 언제나 곁에 있겠다는 마음을 전했죠.
I'm never taking this off.
Me either.
그리고 지금까지도 그날의 우정 팔찌를 간직하고 있었던 퍼시. 그녀는 과거의 기억에 이끌리듯 수가 운영하던 술집으로 발걸음을 옮기고 그곳에서 마치 운명의 장난처럼 샘을 다시 마주하게 되죠.
Sam.
오랫동안 서로를 외면해왔던 두 사람이 다시 눈을 마주치는 순간
You came home.
마치 헤어졌던 가족을 다시 만난 듯 두 사람은 서로를 끌어안습니다.
Oh God, I should be comforting you.
You are. By being here.
Then let me help.
What are you doing?
The dishes. You were always shit at them.
Drew.
친구였던 시절로 돌아간 듯 자연스럽게 가게 정리를 함께하는 두 사람. 하지만 퍼시가 미처 예상하지 못한 사실이 있었는데
Sam? Honey? You in here?
샘 곁에는 이미 새로운 연인 테일러가 있다는 것이었죠.
Taylor.
Hey. Hi.
How are you? How was your drive?
Hi.
Hey. It's really nice to meet you.
Same.
어색한 감정을 애써 뒤로 한 채 두 사람은 서로가 살아온 시간을 이야기하기 시작합니다.
Hey, should we do 3 updates?
You first.
Just obituaries.
Cool. That's great.
The good news is obituaries never go out of style.
Right, yeah. I guess that is one section of the newspaper that can't die, so to speak.
신문사에서 부고 기사를 다루는 퍼시는 수의 부고 기사를 써주겠다고 제안하지만
That's really nice, thank you. But actually Taylor's already working on that.
이미 그 일을 맡고 있는 사람은 샘의 여자친구 테일러였죠.
You want to hit me with 2 and 3?
And I guess my third thing is I noticed you're not wearing a friendship bracelet.
어린 시절에도 두 사람은 방학 때마다 만나 서로의 3가지 소식을 나누곤 했고
No. Listen, honestly, I took mine off in the car in case you weren't wearing yours.
And you never have to worry about feeling dumb around me. We'll always be friends, no matter what.
You do? Always?
Always. Swearing our friendship bracelets.
추억이 각별한 만큼 서로에게 묻고 싶은 것은 많았지만
You know, I probably should keep going. Yeah. You know, knowing Taylor, she is probably waiting for me.
Right, yeah.
Oh, Percy.
Yeah.
아직 정리되지 않은 감정과 서로를 둘러싼 상황 때문에 다음을 기약할 수밖에 없었죠.
You remember how to close up, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
그렇게 헤어진 뒤 퍼시는 비로소 깨닫게 됩니다. 자신의 마음속에 샘을 향한 감정이 아직 남아있다는 사실을.
The thing is, she seemed cool. Of course she'd be cool. I mean, he's him.
Okay, so I'm getting the feeling that you did not get the closure you were looking for.
I know, but it's like now I just want more.
I don't like the sound of more.
I don't mean like that. I just mean like Sam and I used to be so close. Like we were each other's touchstones. But I want to feel that again.
You want to feel what?
Like I mattered to him.
Of course.
And I just want to be there for him now.
퍼시는 수의 추모식 준비를 돕는 것으로 조금이나마 마음의 빚을 덜고자 하지만
Just working on the memorial. It's actually way bigger than we anticipated.
You know what? On that note, please feel free to task me with anything.
I am all staffed up, though. My bases are covered. So.
그 모습을 바라보는 딜라일라의 시선은 차갑기만 합니다.
Missed like a lot. I'm talking about Sam and Charlie, everything they've been through. So I just want to make sure you're, here for the right reasons.
Here because Sue is like a second mother to me.
Funny way of showing it. Not my business. I'm just happy to see Sam happy in his relationship. Sam and Charlie are both in a really good place. So.
괜히 나서서 샘과 찰리를 흔들지 말라며 날선 경고를 전하는 딜라일라.
Any progress?
I'm in a shit mood, Delilah. Little advice? Don't poke the bear.
사실 딜라일라는 찰리로부터 수의 술집을 인수하여 새로운 사업을 준비하려 하고 있었고
Yeah, it's called having a clueless younger brother in charge. It's a miracle he didn't burn this whole place down.
Well, we need to get this stuff fixed or our offer on this place drops.
Whoa, you keep your voice down? Sam will lose his shit if he knows we're making this deal.
게다가 그 사실은 샘에게조차 아직 알리지 않은 비밀이었죠.
Go get me a shit ton of ice so the food doesn't go bad.
That is below my pay grade. But I do know an entry-level type who would be perfect for that errand.
딜라일라는 퍼시를 멀리 떼어놓기 위해 고장난 냉장 창고 문제를 핑계 삼아 얼음을 구해오라고 부탁합니다.
Percy?
하지만 그 시도가 무색하게도 퍼시와 샘은 우연히 다시 마주치고
Don't ask.
두 사람은 자연스럽게 동행하게 되죠.
Yeah. So then I did med school at UC San Diego, where the weather was too nice. It was weird. And now I'm at UCSF for my residency, which...
It's not luck. I mean, I know how hard you work. All right. You?
함께 시간을 보내며 퍼시는 자신이 알던 소년이 어느새 훌륭한 어른이 되어 있다는 사실을 실감합니다.
Seriously, like, how do you come up with these stories? I mean, you seem like such a just normal, basic girl on the outside.
That's me, basic.
But deep down, you're like a total freak.
Hey!
I meant it as a compliment.
Since when is total freak a compliment?
Because you have like the coolest brain ever. Like, I just want to get in there and see what's happening.
Okay, and now who's the freak, Dr. Florek?
I'm okay with that. Two total freaks. You'll be a famous writer and I'll be a world-class doctor.
Deal.
퍼시가 샘을 친구 이상으로 의식하기 시작한 것은 딜라일라가 베리스 베이에 놀러왔던 그 무렵부터였는데
I just hope she doesn't, like, change everything just by being here.
No, I promise. Delilah's cool. Everything will be exactly the same.
눈에 띄는 외모를 가진 딜라일라는 등장하자마자 찰리의 시선을 사로잡았고
Hey, what's your friend's name again?
Delilah?
How could you not tell me that? Because there's nothing to tell. Sam's my friend, and Charlie's just the annoying older brother. The annoying hot older brother? If you can't see that, you need glasses.
그녀 역시 찰리에게 관심을 보이며 외모와 옷차림에 신경 쓰기 시작했죠.
I need to get hot. And this view should help.
그 모습을 지켜보던 퍼시는 문득 자신을 돌아보게 됩니다.
Sam is my best friend.
Sorry.
It's gonna be a minute.
Delilah's not gonna be happy.
퍼시와 샘이 얼음을 가지고 돌아오는 사이 남몰래 애정을 나누고 있던 찰리와 딜라일라.
Hey, we're back here. Come on in. Hey.
That was fast. Yeah. Well, I had some help.
갑작스럽게 샘이 나타나자 두 사람은 황급히 거리를 두는데
What are you two up to?
Oh,
Oh, just
Delilah just...
working on all the stuff for the memorial.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get back to the funeral home with the programs.
사실 딜라일라는 이미 가정을 꾸린 유부녀였죠.
Oh, it was close.
두 사람은 오래전부터 서로를 의식하고 있었지만
Hey, Charlie. How about a game of truth or dare?
You kids knock yourself out.
적지 않은 나이 차이 때문에 찰리는 끝내 그녀의 마음을 받아들이지 못했고
Do you have a boyfriend?
Truth.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
심술이 난 딜라일라는 자신들과 마찬가지로 속마음을 숨기고 있던 샘과 퍼시를 놀리기 시작하죠.
Now what should it be, this dare? I dare you to kiss Percy. It's a dare, you have to do it.
Dude, what are you waiting for?
두 사람의 감정을 진작에 눈치채고 있었던 찰리 역시 장난에 가세하고
If you don't want to do it, then I can. I hate for Percy to feel bad just because you don't have the balls to kiss her.
샘이 고백하지 않으면 자신이 먼저 퍼시에게 키스하겠다며 짓궂은 농담을 던지는 찰리.
JK. No offense, Percy. Maybe in a few years.
Oh, hi. Hey. Sorry, Percy.
시간은 다시 현재. 우연히 샘의 여자친구 테일러와 마주친 퍼시.
Delilah just asked me to swing by to pick up a photo album, I guess.
Yeah, sure, for the memorial service, right.
테일러는 추도식에 사용할 물건을 찾기 위해 수의 유품을 정리하고 있었고
I was finding drawers like absolutely stuffed with like old Pokemon cards and like those paddle games with the rubber ball. Oh my god, you want to laugh? Check this out. It's like DVDs from a zillion years ago.
그 과정에서 어린 시절 퍼시와 샘이 함께 즐겨보던 영화 DVD가 발견됩니다.
I keep putting a Goodwill poster on it and keep switching it to save. Mind you, this is a guy who would rather have a root canal than watch a movie on TV. Like any movie.
그중 한 편의 영화는 퍼시에게 결코 잊을 수 없는 기억을 떠올리게 했죠.
Samuel. Hello.
You don't have to call me that. It's just Sam.
Billy Madison. A buffoon. And yet, a threat to my eventual takeover of this company. A menace. Eliminate Billy Madison.
여느 때처럼 샘과 함께 영화를 보던 중 몸에 이상을 느낀 퍼시.
I just have to go to the bathroom. Don't pause it.
생애 처음 겪는 변화에 당황한 그녀는 서둘러 술을 찾아가 도움을 청했고
Whoa. Slow down, babe. What's going on?
I got my period.
Okay. Did you not have any pads or?
No, like, for the first time.
Oh, that's big.
수는 어쩔 줄 몰라 하는 퍼시에게 자신의 이야기를 들려주며 따뜻하게 안아주었죠.
I was wearing my favorite jeans.
Well, I bled through my underwear and my favorite shorts. And maybe your couch. I'm really sorry.
Please, that couch has seen way worse. I have 2 boys. Don't even get me started.
I'm sorry.
No. You cry as much as you want, sweet pea. Between us, this is my favorite place to cry.
Feels like everything's changing and I hate it.
퍼시에게 친구의 어머니를 넘어 가족 같은 존재였던 수. 사진첩 뒤에서 발견된 반지 하나. 그것은 샘이 테일러에게 청혼할 생각이라는 의미였고,
Mom, I should never have come. So stupid.
그 사실은 잔혹할 만큼 퍼시의 마음에 파고들며 그녀는 베리스 베이로 돌아온 것을 후회하게 되죠.
I should be able to be here on my own.
That place and those boys are toxic, okay? So as soon as we hang up, you are going to get yourself out of there tonight.
Hello?
Why would she go back there? After everything they put her through, why would she do that?
I don't know. But there's only so much you can do. She's not a kid anymore.
그렇게 슬픔에 빠져있던 퍼시를 샘이 찾아옵니다.
Sam.
Hey. Sorry to just pop up here like this.
It's fine.
Can I come in?
퍼시에게 엄마의 부고 기사를 부탁하는 샘.
So if you had to pick one quality that defined your mom, it would be
어릴 적부터 술을 봐온 퍼시라면 좋은 글을 쓸 수 있을 것이라는 생각 때문이었고,
After our dad died, she raised me and Charlie. She took care of the tavern all by herself.
great. And now imagine your mom reading this. What's something that would make her smile?
She always told people that the jukebox at the tavern was broken. She had this whole elaborate lie about how parts were no longer made for it, so she couldn't swap out the Dolly Parton, but the jukebox was fine. She just loved Dolly.
그 과정에서 퍼시는 미처 몰랐던 수의 또 다른 모습을 알게 됩니다.
You know, I really appreciate you coming to help with this, Percy. I tried writing it, and Taylor did a version, but it just wasn't Mom.
작은 것 하나라도 돕고 싶었기에 샘의 부탁을 흔쾌히 들어주는 퍼시.
I really wanted to help. Where is Taylor?
She left this morning. She had surgeries that she couldn't postpone, but she'll be back for the funeral.
한결 편한 분위기 속에서 퍼시가 먼저 테일러에 대한 이야기를 꺼내고,
I am a bit intimidated by your girlfriend.
It's just a job.
It's a very important job, like yours.
And yours.
Oh, we both know that obit writer was not the dream.
Speaking as a person who just lost someone, you want the world to take notice of their passing. You make that happen.
여자친구의 글보다 퍼시의 글이 더 좋다는 샘의 말에 애써 눌러두었던 감정이 또 한 번 흔들리기 시작하죠.
Hope I'm not interrupting.
No, Percy's just helping with Mom's obit.
Yeah, if there's any stories or memories you want to include, I can put them in.
Sammy's got enough sappy stories for the both of us.
His emotions. Charlie.
Is Percy gone?
Yep. He did a pass, but still needed something, so I figured I'd ask Percy.
It's funny walking in on the two of you. Thinking maybe I shouldn't have invited her.
Oh, too late. You already did.
Just seeing you guys together felt like a scene out of the past. Jeez. Charlie, writing obituaries is literally Percy's job. Just be careful.
Percy and I were over a long time ago. I'm with Taylor now.
You guys are happy?
Yes, we are.
Some things are better left in the past, for everyone's sake.
한편 집으로 돌아가려던 샹탈에게 예상치 못한 문제가 발생하는데,
Shit.
What?
My passport expired yesterday. I don't know how I didn't check before I left, and how am I going to get back home?
여권이 만료되면서 집으로 돌아갈 비행기를 구할 수 없게 된 것.
Here, okay. It says you have to go to the nearest consulate in person, which is about 3 hours away.
재발급에 필요한 시간은 5시간. 영사관까지 걸리는 시간을 고려하면 이미 문을 닫은 뒤였고,
Someone who knows someone at the consulate.
Charlie.
What?
Charlie is totally plugged in. If anyone can help, it's him. I could call him.
No. This is my fuck up. I'm gonna.
상황을 타개할 유일한 방법은 발이 넓은 찰리에게 도움을 청하는 것뿐이었죠.
Do you remember the first time I was here visiting my mom? You were here without Whit.
그 시각 남들의 눈을 피해 딜라일라와 미래를 즐기고 있는 찰리.
And I leaned over to help you with a shot. You said, I've been waiting 15 years for this. And I said, I know.
Such an ass.
Because you weren't the only one who waited 15 years for this.
오래전부터 품어왔던 마음을 털어놓으며 찰리는 조금씩 그녀에게 다가가는데 샹탈이 가게에 들이닥치며 로맨틱한 분위기는 산산조각 나버립니다.
What's up?
I'm having a passport crisis, and Percy said you might know someone at the consulate.
Actually, yeah, I do know someone.
Great. Okay.
Well, I guess that someone's a she.
결국 찰리가 직접 샹탈을 데려다주게 되면서 퍼시와 샘은 다시 둘만 남게 되죠.
You know, I'm gonna start over.
Perfect.
Really?
Just who she was as a person.
You're happy with it?
I'm more than happy person.
퍼시는 부고 기사만 전달한 뒤 조용히 떠날 생각이었지만
I should go. You're probably busy. I will email the obituary to the newspaper.
You going for a swim?
샘은 예전처럼 함께 수영하자며 퍼시를 붙잡습니다.
No, I wouldn't want to.
No, I was gonna go out anyways. Let's race to the raft. Come on.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
여자친구가 있음에도 퍼시를 향한 감정을 완전히 정리하지 못한 샘. 퍼시는 문득 처음 샘의 방에서 잠들었던 날을 떠올립니다.
Percy?
Can I come in? Of course. Oh my god. I got blown away.
You guys lost power too?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get you some dry clothes.
Oh, thank you.
My mom and Charlie are asleep, so we should try and modulate our voices.
Modulate our voices.
Yeah, keep our voices down.
I can sleep on the floor. It's fine.
No, you're like the guest. It's fine. This is fine.
Sam, this is ridiculous. If you won't let me sleep on the floor, at least we can share the bed. It's enormous.
You sure?
Yes, of course. Have you ever
Slept with someone? I mean, like shared a bed? No.
Me neither. I mean, I've had sleepovers, but never.
단둘이 한 침대에 누워 있다는 긴장감. 섣부른 행동으로 친구를 잃게 될까 염려했던 두 사람은 서로에게 다가가지 못했고
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, I'm up.
Got first shift at the tavern.
블레이크의 호출과 함께 두 사람 사이에 흐르던 묘한 기류도 흩어져 버립니다.
Check these honeys out.
Holy fucking shit.
Before you start, it's not what it looks like.
Little brother. I have never been so proud.
No, Percy was home alone. She lost powers.
I was freaking out. I was watching the Blair Witch Project.
Yeah, Mom will totally believe that story.
No, it's true. Nothing happened.
한 방에서 나오는 두 사람을 단단히 오해한 블레이크.
Oh, I'm gonna upset Mom? I'm not the one who has my girlfriend sleeping in my room.
Okay, Percy is not my girlfriend. We're just friends.
Whatever. I'm gonna go. Tell Sue what you want.
단지 친구 사이일 뿐이라며 선을 긋는 샘에게 퍼시는 서운함이 폭발하고
I never. It's Percy. It's his words.
Because he was afraid of what Charlie would tell their mom.
Yeah, well, he's had all summer to make a move, and he hasn't because he doesn't see me that way.
So make him. You do like him, don't you?
딜라일라는 그런 퍼시에게 샘이 먼저 다가오게 만들라며 조언을 건네죠.
Wait, there's Sam.
You guys made it! Hey! That's awesome.
딜라일라의 조언을 따라 퍼시는 샘이 있는 파티 장소를 찾아가는데
This is Percy.
Wait, the Percy? Like the one you told me about?
Yeah.
Wait, you told him about me?
샘의 친구에게서 나온 말이 퍼시의 심장을 파고듭니다.
Did you really eat 15 pierogies in one sitting?
I think it was 12.
샘이 자신을 좋아하는 여성도 가까운 친구도 아닌 그저 먹성 좋은 아이라고 소개했던 것.
Pretty good story.
Excuse me.
What?
한편 딜라일라는 찰리를 유혹하기 위해 파티장에 왔지만 그 시기에 찰리에게는 이미 여자친구가 있었죠.
Delilah?
Yeah. Hey.
When'd you get back? Aren't you cold?
해가 저물 무렵 퍼시에게 사과를 전하는 샘.
I'm sorry about the whole pierogi thing.
It's fine.
Just so you know, I wasn't like, oh, this girl Percy can eat like a million pierogi.
Sam,
Like,
it's fine, really.
lipstick?
What? Oh.
문제는 샘에게 여자의 마음을 읽을 수 있는 눈치가 없다는 것.
It's so cold. Isn't it like supposed to be summer?
Here.
딜라일라에게 외투를 빌려주는 샘에게 괘씸함을 느낀 퍼시는
Hey, can I get another beer, please?
Totally, yeah. If you tell me your name.
No.
No.
How about this instead?
보란 듯이 다른 남학생에게 키스하며 샘의 속을 뒤집어 놓습니다.
You're leaving tomorrow?
Yeah.
하지만 그 행동은 오히려 샘의 마음을 흔들어 놓았고
Can I ask you, was that like your first kiss?
No.
But watching you kiss that guy, I felt jealous.
Really?
I hated it.
샘은 마침내 퍼시에게 고백하는 듯했지만
And this is gonna sound weird, but when I'm with you, I feel safe.
Safe?
No, but like our friendship is different. So different. It's so special. I guess I was afraid of losing that.
사랑과 우정 사이에서 애매한 태도를 보이는 샘의 모습에 퍼시는 실망감을 감추지 못했죠.
You okay with that?
Yeah. You're my best friend.
Swear.
Swear.
하지만 그런 서운함조차 이제는 추억이 되어버린 현재. 두 사람은 마치 어린 시절로 돌아간 것처럼 호수를 누비며 수영을 즐깁니다.
First one to the raft? Ready?
Yeah.
Set?
잠시나마 되찾은 익숙한 시간.
I won. Even though you cheated.
You cheated.
I did not.
Cheated.
No, I don't know how you got so fast.
그리고 물 밖으로 나온 뒤 찾아오는 어색한 침묵.
It really is magical here. I miss this.
Yeah, I do too.
이대로 보내고 싶지 않았던 것일까? 샘은 추모식 준비를 도와달라며 퍼시를 붙잡죠.
You know, tonight I was thinking about making pierogi for the reception. I don't know if you're busy or...
How would I be busy?
You sure? I know you've done a lot.
Sam, I came here hoping I could help.
Great, I'll see you at the tavern at 6 then.
Cool. See you there.
저녁이 되자 샘의 부탁에 따라 수의 가게를 찾아가는 퍼시.
Hey.
Hey.
You're playing Dolly.
Yeah, we're making mom's pierogi, so... Oh, right. You look... good.
Packed in a rush. There wasn't much choice, so... Thanks.
Turn around.
서로를 향한 미련 그리고 함께 있을 때 찾아오는 편안함이 두 사람을 다시 끌어당기고 있었죠. 그렇게 묻어두었던 감정이 조금씩 되살아나기 시작한 그때
What is going on?
가게 문이 열리며 딜라일라가 들어섭니다.
We were.
We're just making pierogi for the reception.
Clearly, I'm interrupting something.
What? No. What? No, Delilah, this isn't...
I'm gonna go. I need to find Chantal. I'm sorry, Sam. I'm really sorry.
마치 퍼시는 샘에게 다가갈 자격이 없다는 듯한 차가운 눈빛, 게다가 두 사람의 관계를 애써 부정하는 샘의 모습까지 퍼시는 결국 자리를 박차고 나가버리죠.
What were you thinking?
I don't know. When I'm with her, I don't think.
Listen, I need to hitch a ride home with you tonight. I almost did something so stupid, and I know if I stay one fucking moment longer, I know I will.
베리스 베이에 온 것을 또다시 후회하며 곧장 떠나려는 그때 수의 변호사가 그녀를 찾아오는데
I'm Sue Florrick's estate lawyer. I've been looking for you.
Sorry, what does that have to do with me?
You're in Sue's will.
What? Why on earth would Sue leave me anything?
It will all become clear tomorrow.
수가 세상을 떠나기 전 퍼시에게 남긴 유언이 있다는 말이 그녀의 발걸음을 붙잡습니다. 유언을 공개하기 위해 가족들과 퍼시를 불러 모은 변호사.
Not long. We're just waiting for one more person.
Who else would Mom put in her will?
Lovely. Let's get started.
What the hell?
I'm Chantal. I'm Percy's lawyer. We haven't had the pleasure, but you must be Sam.
그리고 이어진 발표는 모두를 충격에 빠뜨렸는데
Sue's will was fairly straightforward, so this should be quick. The entirety of Sue Florrick's estate will be split evenly between her two sons, Charlie and Sam, with one exception. The tavern and all of its contents will be left solely to Persephone Fraser.
Are you kidding me?
수가 평생을 바쳐 지켜온 가게를 퍼시에게 넘겨준다는 것이었죠.
No mistake. Sue updated her will in 2021 to include this provision. These belong to you now.
Unbelievable.
가게를 팔 계획까지 세웠던 찰리는 화를 내며 자리를 박차고 나가버리고
Can we at least just talk about it?
Time for you right now. I need to go talk to my brother.
I don't want it.
My client is in shock. This is not an official resignation of said property.
Okay.
Did you see Sam's face?
퍼시 역시 당황스럽기는 마찬가지. 수가 왜 자신에게 가게를 남겼는지 도무지 이유를 짐작할 수 없었죠.
It was so full of contempt, like I'd ruined everything all over again. What was Sue thinking?
I don't know, but she managed to cause a lot of drama from the grave.
She knew about what I did.
그런데 아이러니하게도 이 소식을 가장 반긴 사람은 다름 아닌 딜라일라였죠.
I just thought some congratulations were in order. For being the new owner of the tavern, silly.
퍼시가 이 마을에 정착할 생각이 없다는 사실을 잘 알고 있었기 때문 결국 자신에게 가게를 넘기게 될 것이라 확신하고 있었던 것이었죠.
Are you maybe thinking of selling?
Why are you being so nice all of a sudden? What do you want, Delilah?
What? No, I want to mark the occasion.
Well, you're biting your lower lip, which means you want something.
Okay, fine. I want to buy the tavern from you. Okay, picture it. Soho House at the lake.
하지만 퍼시의 예상과 달리 딜라일라는 가게를 회원 전용 럭셔리 리조트로 바꿀 계획이었고
I don't know what the hell a velvet poof is, but I'm in. I will be a founding member.
Whoa. Members only?
지역 주민들이 자유롭게 드나들던 공간을 소수만 이용하는 공간으로 만들겠다는 것. 그 계획을 들은 퍼시는 곧바로 반대합니다.
Yeah, but velvet poofs.
No. Exclusivity is what's ruining this entire town.
Well, you can't stop progress, Percy.
Progress? That's what you call all these cute little cottages being replaced by 7,000 square foot farmhouse McMansions with not an ounce of soul or character?
많은 기억이 스며 있는 만큼 옛 모습을 그대로 간직하기를 바랐던 퍼시.
I mean, even your old place is getting turned into a soulless McMansion.
What? I mean, I knew it was being demolished, but to be replaced by one of those? Really?
자신이 머물던 별장이 철거된다는 이야기에 퍼시는 곧장 별장으로 달려가죠.
How did I get? Let's do this. I want to go home.
No, you are one of us now, so no.
No. I can make it.
I need to use your car. 1, 2, 3.
I'm okay.
한편 수의 유언 내용에 충격받은 두 형제.
And I'm not exactly thrilled that she left our family business to my ex-girlfriend, but why do you care?
가게를 팔려던 계획이 물거품이 되자 찰리는 화가 난 상태였고
Hold up. You've been talking to buyers? Who?
Delilah's been circling. She wants it.
샘은 자신과 상의도 없이 가게를 팔려고 한 형에게 당혹감을 감추지 못합니다.
I didn't tell you because I knew you'd react like this. I obviously wasn't going to do anything without clearing it with you first. Selling isn't the worst idea, you know.
48 hours and it officially belongs to Percy.
하지만 법적으로 가게의 소유권은 퍼시의 것이나 다름없었기에 샘은 차라리 이대로 가게가 넘어가는 것이 나을지도 모른다고 생각하게 되죠.
I mean, we spent a lot of our lives in this room. I had my first beer here. So did you.
Yeah, thanks to my irresponsible older brother.
Hey, you were 16.
Try 14.
Yeah, well, you were so sick the next day. You swore off alcohol for a whole year.
관리가 힘든 가게를 정리하는 것이 먼 도시에 사는 두 형제에게도 좋은 일일지 모르는 일이었죠.
Let's not forget about the table here. Remember when all your ex-girlfriends sat together and plotted your demise?
Yeah, you mean the Charlie's an asshole support group? Terrible tippers.
Yeah.
과거 이야기를 나누던 중 샘은 형에게서 뜻밖의 진실을 듣게 되는데
Well, she didn't always make the best decisions. Leaving the tavern to Percy sort of tracks.
What are you talking about? She was incredible.
Not always. What do you mean? After Dad died, she kind of fell apart. That first year, you were 11. Maybe you don't remember. Or maybe you didn't see it. I tried to hide it from you. See what? Mom was dark.
샘은 홀로 두 아들을 키웠던 엄마가 언제나 강인한 사람이라 믿고 있었지만
Sometimes I would come home from school and she'd just be sitting at the kitchen table, staring.
I don't remember any of this.
That's because I tried to just keep things going for us. That was the year we did sugar cereal rotation.
Yeah, Monday was Fruity Pebbles.
And Friday was Frosted Flakes. That was because I was doing the grocery shopping that year.
사실 엄마에게 우울증이 찾아왔고 그 빈자리를 메우기 위해 찰리가 많은 것을 감당해왔다는 사실.
How did I miss this?
Sam, you're just a kid.
Well, yeah, but you were just 14. I mean, that shouldn't have been on you.
진실을 알게 된 샘은 미안한 마음만이 가득했죠.
But I'm still so pissed at her. She left us alone that year.
한편 별장의 무단으로 들어간 퍼시 일행은 10년간 묵혀두었던 이야기를 나누게 되는데
The past few years I've been floating. I go to work, I go out, I drunk text one of my hookups. Now I do it all over again.
I mean, that sounds pretty amazing.
I think the word you're looking for is tragic.
No, that's what your 20s are supposed to be, not married.
그러던 중 딜라일라는 자신의 결혼 생활이 순탄치 않다는 사실을 털어놓습니다.
Whit hasn't even been to the lake this summer. I haven't seen him in weeks.
Wow. But everything you keep saying
It's just bullshit. It's all bullshit. We decided to take the summer apart.
그녀가 가게를 사들이려는 이유도 자신에게 무관심한 남편 때문이었고
I had no idea. You've been really good at hiding that.
Thank you. I think that this is why I want the tavern so bad, is just focus on something other than my marriage failing. Just something that's mine, not mine and Whit's, you know?
그 이야기를 듣던 샹탈은 결혼에 대한 생각마저 흔들리게 되죠.
I don't want to get married. I'm sorry. Hearing you talk about your relationship, it makes me feel like I can't breathe.
I thought you and Drew were happy.
I think he.
Then take a vacation, relax.
그때 우연히 퍼시의 눈에 오래전 자신이 썼던 소설이 들어오는데
Oh my God! What? Is there a spider? No, these are my old stories. Oh man, I haven't seen these in years.
미래에 대한 꿈과 희망으로 가득했던 시절. 그 속에 퍼시는 지금보다 훨씬 빛나는 글을 써내려가고 있었죠.
I mean, some of this is beyond cringe, but there's a fearlessness here. I don't think I could write like this anymore.
10년 전 퍼시에게 가장 큰 영감을 안겨준 존재는 바로 샘.
Oh, I missed you, Persephone Fraser.
Right back at you, Samwise.
Okay, well, first we're gonna run an easy 3K.
3K, easy. Speak for yourself. Remember, I'm both the couch and the lazy girl in this scenario.
Look.
Where's the part where I get to eat waffles and go back to bed?
집안에만 틀어박혀 있으려 했던 퍼시를 세상 밖으로 이끌어낸 것도 다름 아닌 샘이었죠.
Forgot how pretty it was in the morning. I am so jumping in right now. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, yes, this is perfection. So are you coming in or what?
그렇게 샘과 함께 수영을 하던 어느 날 퍼시는 문득 한 가지 목표를 세웁니다.
Have you ever thought about swimming across it?
The lake?
Ever since I saw it, I wondered if I could make it across. Maybe that's what I need this summer.
오직 자신의 힘만으로 호수 반대편까지 헤엄쳐 가겠다는 것.
I'll help you train.
You're okay.
목표를 향해 열정을 쏟기 시작하자 오랫동안 막혀있던 글도 다시 써지기 시작했고
Let's do this.
You can do it.
I believe in you, kiddo.
All right. Go, Percy. Hey, language.
Sorry.
Sam.
Come on.
Okay.
I had so much confidence.
가족들이 지켜보는 가운데 마침내 퍼시의 도전이 시작됩니다.
You are doing so well. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, Percy, keep going.
그렇게 호수 반대편에 도착하는데 성공한 퍼시.
I mean, you just did that without any breaks. You're like a machine. That was insane.
He's so pretty.
Did you just say I was pretty?
Wait, I said that out loud?
Yeah, you are totally out of it.
자기 혐오에 물든 지금의 자신과 달리 그 시절의 퍼시는 무엇이든 해낼 수 있다는 자신감으로 가득 차 있었습니다.
I am so freaking proud of you.
I'm pretty freaking proud of me too.
샘과 연애를 시작하게 된 것도 바로 그 무렵 퍼시가 자신에 대한 믿음이 가득 차 있던 시절이었죠.
Did you learn anything else from that book of yours?
두려움 때문에 마음을 숨기던 과거와 달리 퍼시는 자신의 감정을 솔직하게 드러냈고
Vastus medialis. Vastus lateralis. Are you done with the anatomy lesson, or should I keep going?
그렇게 사랑에 빠진 두 사람에게 수는 현실적인 조언을 건넵니다.
So, I think it's time we have a little chat.
Oh.
And you know, sometimes these beautiful relationships can get, complicated and even messy. People can get hurt.
That won't happen with us.
Well, I know you don't want it to. And I don't want that for you either, but you want to be a doctor, and Percy, you want to be a writer. You have dreams.
We do.
And I don't want you to forget them, because they're your dreams.
서로 다른 꿈을 가진 두 사람은 곧 각자의 길을 걸어가야 했고
I promise.
Yeah.
Can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow.
엄마의 말을 곱씹던 샘은 점점 불안해지기 시작합니다.
You're being weird.
About us? I'm thinking about us.
Oh my God, are you gonna say we're making a mistake?
No. God, no. Look, this. You are maybe the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Okay, good.
Because you're important to me, Percy.
Jim, is this the I just want to be friends thing? Because I thought we were past that.
I don't know how to do this, and I'm really afraid to screw it all up, which I really feel like I'm doing right now because I want to get it right. I'm ready to get it right.
I'm ready.
I mean, you leave tomorrow for a year.
의사가 되겠다는 꿈과 퍼시와의 사랑 두 가지를 모두 지켜낼 자신이 없었던 것이었죠.
I can't go to college without a scholarship. I have to focus, or all my plans will get screwed up.
So we just go back to before? Date other people?
But I'd be a giant asshole if I said that we shouldn't be together right now, and then I still asked you not to be with anyone else. That's not fair.
You're an asshole either way.
결국 다시 친구 사이로 돌아가자는 샘의 말에 퍼시는 큰 상처를 받게 됩니다. 과거를 회상하던 중 별장에 경찰들이 들이닥치고
So, we're getting up. We're going.
You don't do well in these.
You're doing well right now. You gotta go.
Okay,
Let's go.
I'm coming. Just let me. Guys, wait. Running not my thing.
Come out with your hands up.
퍼시와 친구들은 무단 침입죄로 경찰에 잡히게 되는데
You bailed me out.
My buddy's the deputy. He called me.
그곳에서 퍼시를 꺼내준 사람은 다름 아닌 샘이었죠.
Wow, okay, so no thank you.
Thank you.
You know what, next time I just won't come.
That sounds about right.
The hell's that supposed to mean?
Tired of the mixed signals.
Mixed signals?
Yes.
퍼시는 샘이 다가올 때마다 다시 만날 수 있을 거라는 희망 때문에 오히려 더 고통스러웠고
What about when you invited me to the tavern for some kind of late night quasi date situation?
I just wanted your help.
I can't do this anymore, any of it. I'm so tired of being jerked around by you.
더 이상 애매한 관계를 견딜 수 없었던 그녀는 자신과의 관계를 확실하게 정해달라고 요구하게 되죠.
My heart can't take it anymore. It's confusing and hurtful and deeply unfair.
I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I just got confused.
But that was then and this is now.
It was wrong. And I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
그 말에 결국 선을 그으며 그 자리를 떠나버리는 샘.
You were right about Mom. She didn't always make the best decisions. Percy being here, it's bad for me.
Then we'll contest the will.
I feel like you're the only person I can really trust right now.